Hi everyone, my name's Robert.
Hi everyone, my name's Raquel and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of future updates.
And all the models that are involved in this video, all their social media links will be down below. Hi guys, we're here in the flesh again, which you haven't been for a long time. So today we're going to pose some serious questions in regard to this video. So the first one is, do you struggle with carrying large amounts of equipment on your photo shoots? We're here to kind of show you a minimal setup which will inspire you to kind of do something very similar. Our aim is that you achieve great results without lugging all that equipment, as you can already see in some of our previous videos we've done.
Our minimal setup was made up of the Sony A6400, the Sigma Trinity of lenses, an AD200 and an EC200 extension head. We also had a light stand, a small light stand, plus a couple of different smaller light modifiers. We used an EC200 extension head along with the AD200 and a C-clamp to mount the AD200 further down the stand. As it was a lightweight stand, we didn't want to make it too top heavy, but with the smaller modifiers it helped it from, being toppled by the wind. And also for lenses, we had the Sigma Trinity, which is the 16mm 1.4, the 30mm 1.4 and 56mm 1.4. This gives you a good range of coverage from wide to telephoto, which is equivalent from a 24 to an 85mm setup.
So what are the advantages of this minimal setup? One, it's very good for a single person, it weighs less, and the size of the equipment that you're going to travel, especially when you're traveling onto the public transport, is just a benefit. Also, we filmed this shoot on the GoPro 7 Black, which is very, very small. Look how small that is. Compared to what we usually shoot it, which is an A65 with the gimbal. Look how heavy it is. I struggle most of the time. So I will always opt for this.
So guys, we want to ask you a few questions. Have you ever used a similar setup like this before with a small light modifier and a small light stand? And also, would this video inspire you to maybe reduce your equipment down?
Anything that you, to answer these questions, just put them in the comments section below, and so that me and Robert can interact, because we love that interaction between us and you. Definitely.
And also, if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up.
And we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.